How can you create an attendance monitoring system using QR codes like this? Once the QR code is scanned, the employee details will automatically appear along with their actual time log. Let's build this in Google Sheets. Here I have two sheets, timesheet and list of employees. In the timesheet, we have the employee ID, name, department, position, and time logs. In the list of employees, we also have the employee ID, name, department, and position. Then I added two additional columns, web app link and QR code, which we will use later. Once you have this set up, go to the Extensions tab, select Apps Script, and a new window will open. Click Untitled Project, then enter your project name or title, and click Rename. Next, delete all the existing code in the editor, then paste the script. You can comment script if you want a copy of the code. Once the code is pasted, scroll to the top, go back to your Google Sheets, and copy the link from here up to this part. Then go back to Apps Script. In this section, highlight and delete the existing link, then paste the link you copied earlier. This ensures that your Google Sheets file is connected to our script. Once pasted, go to Deploy, select New Deployment, click Settings, then choose Web App. For the web app settings, make sure it is set to execute as me, and for who has access, change it to anyone, so anyone can use it. Then click Deploy. Wait a few seconds for the deployment to update. Once done, click Authorize Access. Click Advanced, then go to Employee Timesheet, scroll down, and click Continue. Now the deployment has been successfully updated. In the web app, copy the URL by clicking Copy, then click Done. Now go back to your employee timesheet and paste the URL into the web app link column. At the end of the URL, add a question mark, then type ID equals. We will use this later to create the QR code. Press Enter, then copy the URL down for the other employees. Next, we will create a QR code for each employee using the image function. In the QR code column, paste this link. I will place it in the comment section. Edit the link and replace A2 with B3 depending on where your employee ID is located. Press Enter, and a QR code will appear. However, this is not yet the final version. Click the web app link, copy the link, then go back to the QR code formula and replace this part of the link with the web app link we copied earlier. Press Enter, and now this is the final QR code. Copy the QR code formula down for the other employees. You can also adjust the size so the entire QR code is visible. If you have a new employee, simply add their information at the bottom, copy the web app link, and the QR code will automatically be generated for that employee. Now, each employee has their own QR code. You can copy and print the QR codes and give them to each employee. To monitor their attendance, for example, for Juan de la Cruz, I will copy his QR code using the snipping tool and paste it into MS Word. To scan the code, I will use my mobile phone. I have a QR code scanner installed on my phone, which you can also download. Once I scan the code, a URL will appear. Just click it, and the time in of Juan de la Cruz will automatically be recorded. Let's go back to Google Sheets. Here, the employee information will automatically be recorded, including the date of the time in and the actual time. For breakout, simply scan the code again, and the breakout time will be recorded automatically. The same process applies to break-in and timeout. What do you think? Is this a good way to monitor employee attendance? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more smart tips and helpful tutorials like this.